on stage to share with us the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is, if you have a dream, chase it until you achieve it. Don't let it go off. This thought means that hard work, critical thinking and never giving up can solve all our problems and we can achieve our goals. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing this illuminating thought and meaning.
We should be very alert about our surrounding and what is going around the world. So I request Rehma, Harsirat, Karthik and Ishan to come on the stage to update us on the same.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is One Nation, One Election Bill to be introduced in Lok Sabha today. India's 6 billion submarine building plan stalls after sea test. Maharashtra aims for 1 trillion economy showcases inclusive growth strategy at World Hindu Economy Forum. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's international news is Germany heads to early elections. Bitcoin reaches record high. The cryptocurrency reaches all-time high of over $107,000. Winter solstice approaches as it will start from December 21st. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is G-Shock takes over as ICC chairman. Mukesh displays incredible calculating abilities at chess championship. Mukesh becomes youngest world chess champion at the age of 18. Goodbyes are never easy. Pant bids. Emotional farewell to Delhi Capitals. Join LSG for record fee.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is today's minimum temperature in Mohali is recorded at 8 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature is expected to go high as 23 degrees Celsius. Throughout the day, it is likely to have around 11 degrees Celsius and the humidity will be 47%. Air quality index value is 214. Thank you.
Thank you for updating us. To express the words with creativity, now I would like to invite my friend Maya to present her creative words.
A problem stands, a wall so tall. Its shadow casts a daunting call. Yet every maze conceals a door, a hidden path, a way to. Step back, observe, and see it clear. The answers often linger near. Each question whispers, dare to find, unlock the strength within your mind. Trials, fires, solutions bloom, transforming doubt to wisdom's room. For every riddle holds its heart, a solved dilemma builds the heart. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend, for the fantastic poem. Now we would like to hand over the mic and Tarak to conduct the assembly further.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Trisha. Now my friend Ishwit will share some steps to solve problems in our daily life.
Now, I would like to tell you some solutions to quickly solve your problems. Step 1. The first step is to understand the problem. Ask yourself what exactly the issue is. Step 2. Once you know the problem, think of different ways to solve the problem. Step 3. Now put your plan into action. Step 4. Once you have solved your problem, think about it. Did your plan work? If not, think of a new plan to solve the issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishti. A skit always helps us in relating the main idea of the event closely. So now my friends will present a skit, Breaking the Chain. Hasrat, the one who starts recovering. Akas, the one struggling with depression. Harsirat, the police.
Well. Isn't it Hasrat and Akas? What are you two doing today? Be quiet as usual.
Harsirat, can you just leave us alone? Just go away, Harsirat.
Oh, look at that. The quiet one speaking now. I bet you don't have courage to speak up.
Hey, Harsirat, be quiet. Cut it. Hey, Harsirat, cut it out. You're not funny.
Whatever. Scene 2. A quiet classroom. doing. What's the point? She'll just keep doing it.
Don't worry, we'll stick together.
Yeah, we are here for you.
Sometimes it just takes a little bit of courage, but we're here for you.
I don't know.
Scene 3. The teacher's office.
May we come in, ma'am?
Yes, you may.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we are here to discuss about something.
Yes, sure.
Aka's friends discussed the whole scenario of teasing with the teacher.
Thank you for coming to me, husband and Tegan. I'm glad you told me. We figured this out.
Akos is really in trouble. She doesn't want to tell anyone.
She's really worried. It could get worse. I understand. We'll talk to her here and make sure she knows that bullying is not acceptable. Thank you.
Scene 4. Harsirat confronted.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, you may.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I came to know about your behavior with Akas.
Ma'am, I was just joking.
Harsirat, jokes at the expense of others are funny. Do you understand the impact they have?
Ma'am, I did not think it that way. I did not mean to hurt anyone.
It's important to think about others' feelings. If you want respect, you must give it.
But ma'am, bullying makes me feel better. I like to treat the people the way they are.
I understand. We'll find a way to figure this out together.
Thank you, ma'am.
Scene 5. Peer counseling session.
Akas, I know you're going through a tough time. I've been there myself, but talking helps even when it's hard.
I don't know if it will make a difference. Hasira does not care about me.
I had people like that too, but you can make it stop by talking to the right person.
Oh, Akos, don't worry. We've got your back.
Yeah, we're here for you, Akas. See, Akas, all your friends and teachers are there for you.
मैम ने हसीरत को भी तो समझाया था ना.
Okay, I'll try.
Scene 6. The classroom.
Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry to all the things I said to Hasrat, Akas, and others. I was wrong, and I hurt you guys.
We can all make mistakes. Though, we should never hurt anyone. But yes, in case you accidentally do hurt someone, you must apologize and realize your mistake. Everyone is a friend, and we must think twice before speaking. Good, Hasirat. It's good to see that Hasirat is finally taking the responsibility.
Yeah, I didn't expect this. It means a lot.
Now we know change is possible, even when you don't believe it at first.
Scene 7. The school garden.
I feel like things are finally changing.
I'm proud of you for speaking up, Akos.
Akas, I'm really sorry. I really am.
It's okay, Hasirat. We still have a lot more to learn from each other.
Yes, we do. Thanks, everyone.
This kids gives us a clear message that whenever we are in any trouble, in spite of giving up, we should firmly stand in front of the situation and look for positive solution. Thank you.
हमें किसी को भी हर्ट नहीं करना, चाहे हम स्कूल कॉरिडोर, वॉशरूम, क्लासरूम, कैंटीन या कहीं भी हैं. To take respect, we have to give respect too. So think before you speak.
Thank you, Agni and Tegan. मेरा problem.
And of course, if there is any heart problem, we can solve that problem by never giving up and